Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Instagram likes private and prevent those notifications from popping up on your lock screen, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to hide Instagram likes notification content on your lock screen with the latest method for 2025. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your main settings. This is where you'll control all your app notifications, including Instagram. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it to see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Now, scroll through your apps and find Instagram. Tap on Instagram to open its settings. Here, you'll see several options related to how Instagram interacts with your device. What we want is the Notifications section, so go ahead and tap on Notifications. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see different types of Instagram notifications you can manage. Look for the one labeled Likes. This is the specific notification for when someone likes your post or photo. Tap on Likes to access more detailed settings. Here's the important part. Find the option that says Lock Screen. Tap on it, and you'll see a few choices for how notifications appear when your phone is locked. Select Hide Content. This setting ensures that while you'll still get notified about likes, the actual content of the notification won't show up on your lock screen. Instead, you'll just see that you have a notification from Instagram, but no details will be visible until you unlock your phone. And that's it. With these simple steps, your Instagram likes will stay private, and your lock screen will be free from prying eyes. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.